Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make VFX in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically now the first thing to do is just to open your Filmora software, and after that you will be needing to create your project or open an existing project. Now you will be needing just to start importing your media and then add them to the timeline. So you can simply go to the media, import media, and from here you can just drag and drop to the timeline. Now to start adding and creating your VFX, you can use many elements or many features of uh, Filmora, and you can find them here in stickers or elements. So here you will have like an AI sticker, you can have like mini sticker, and you can find also some of your the download, etc. So for example here we can search for anything. You can find any type of uh, any type of VFX or anything. So you can just create here, and I'm searching for here. You can search for example for smoke screen or smoke effects, and here you can start add these VFX to your video. So for example, I'm just going to add this one, and from here you can make the VFX here in Filmora. And as you can see, it start adding some smoke screen. You can go for example to the color, and from here you can change its temperature. And as you can see, it start adding some effects. You can do that with all the stickers. You can also messing with the colors, so it can become in a certain way that you would like. You can go to the video. You can go to the opacity and start making it fade a little bit so you can uh, have more control on your video, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.